Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send long videos on Messenger. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. You actually have plenty of options. Okay, so first up, you can go ahead and upload a file right here directly on Messenger. But the only problem is that you can only upload up to 100 megabytes of file size. All right, so the video must not exceed 100 megabytes. So for example, you have a long video and you wanted to share it to your friend. Well, you have multiple options. Okay, you can go ahead and share via iCloud link, which is for iPhone users, or the easiest method, you can upload your file or video to Google Drive or any other drives such as a Dropbox, OneDrive, or whatever. Or you can go ahead and upload it to YouTube and just don't publish it. Okay, keep it to unlisted. So for example, Google Drive right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And if you don't have the app, you can just basically go to a web browser and log into drive.google.com. So for example, I have this video right here. Now, to share it, I'm just going to go ahead and tap the three dots. Now go ahead and tap on Manage Access. Now make sure that it is set to anyone with the link. All right. Anyone with the link. Not restricted. Once done, copy the link right here. And then go ahead and open up Messenger. And just basically send the exact link. All right. And when the person go ahead and taps on it, they will be able to see the exact same page. And then they can download it or play it right here. That's how simple it is to send long videos on Messenger. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.